would've thought I'd hear my voice on the stereo in prison? My ops got no choice but to listen, think twice. If it's me that you're dissing, last nigga that tried put mud on my name, got a chingin'. Who would've thought I'd get my hands on a smithing? This spin thing can turn your best friend. Fried chicken, told the govs, this your first and the last time seeing me. Why car, I ain't getting trapped in the system. Who would've thought now should give me attention? When I'm home, you better get rid of them knickers. I got crack cocaine on the table, saying I don't know to the label. I need more figures, my niggas bugging out like we need more dingers. I told them take a chill pill, we've got enough stickers. I'm trying to put my hands in slippers. My niggas told me I should just rap, cause I've done enough drillings. When I glide, everything pissed. Don't ask how's life, like Lois's son. Everything crisp. My ops make snaps and smoke weed with a rat. So as far as I'm concerned, everyone's snitch. Fucked on the first night, met her for the first time. Pretty but she could be anyone's bitch in real life. Everyone's doing just about fine, but on Instagram now, everyone's rich. I was doing up holy oaks in the can. You got a trap phone, but tell me what you know about the trap. See, I'm a trap boy too, but when money goes low, like a chorus and verse, something's getting wrapped. Circle that block at least 3 times, hopefully 3rd time lucky now. Something's getting whacked. I got light, I got budge a bit lighter than me. 7 bills for a Z, 6 if you're gang. Who would've thought I'd be giving out testers? Tell a bitch put a 2s where her breast is. My next bro tryna shoot where your chest is, so you best run for protection. Who would've thought I'd have fans waiting on me to release? I was in the can, couldn't wait for my release. Marnie never wanted to kick ball, so he bought a ball and a Nokia when he got released. Who would've thought I'd hear my voice on the stereo in prison? My ops got no choice but to listen, think twice. If it's me that you're dissing, last nigga that tried put mud on my name, got a chingin'. Thought I'd get my hands on a smithing. This spin thing can turn your best friend. Fried chicken, told the govs, this your first and the last time seeing me. Why car, I ain't getting trapped in the system. Who would've thought you got a cap just to blow? I might never make it. Every lyric's true that I wrote. You say you do all the things that you won't, and they take you in. Car, it sounds good on the beat that you chose. Telling it's easy, I used to struggle selling crow. I give a cat free smoke to help me bag up all these O's. Them don't sell crack to the kittens. It's clientele, sniff, 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 like they got a runny nose. My old classmates messaged me, saying I inspired them. She lied once, you really think she ain't gonna lie again? I ain't doing time again. If my nigga's raving, he's probably trying to take someone's time again. Who would've thought I'd be a star in the hood? I've been going hard, but not as hard as I should. Brown skin girl, real bad, but she looked good. My nitty turned cocaine to crack without a cookbook. Who would've thought I'd hear my voice on the stereo in prison? My ops got no choice but to listen, think twice. If it's me that you're dissing, last nigga that tried to put mud on my name, got a chingin'. Who would've thought I'd get my hands on a smithing? This spin thing can turn your best friend. Fried chicken, told the govs, this your first and the last time seeing me. Why car, I ain't getting trapped in the system.
Go on, launch that. Launch it, launch it. Check the gloves. Hey, and again. As well.